West Tripura Mai Bharat Songstha ni Luwajijakma bai, Twhithangjak Bhagat Singh, Shivram, Rajguru and Sukhdev Thapa no Mwito Narwgwi Phainai 23rd March Salmario Khlaijaknani Thangwi tongo kaisa Himbutok. Asal ni rally Khlaijaknai ujian to place eba noyungmani simi Jackson Gate day Orient Chomini engai umakanto ground jora Khlaijaknai rally.
हमारे जितने प्रिंट और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया से आए हमारे जितने भाई लोग हैं and before I start the press conference, I would like to introduce myself BP Shah, Bimal Patrick Shah, State Director Mai Bharat, and to my left this is Ajit Kumar, District Youth Officer, West Tripura districts, and also holding charge of all the districts of Tripura state, and to my right Mr. Nandan Rai is the program supervisor of Mai Bharat office posted in state office. So basically we are going to organize under the aegis of Mai Bharat Padyatra on the occasion of Shahidi Divas, that is on 23rd of March in this month. As you all know that there will be Padyatra will be organizing all over India in all the districts. Likewise, in Tripura state also, we are going to organize Padyatra on 23rd of March, in which this Padyatra, the main activity of this Padyatra has already been started from today itself. There are three sequences, three activities, and there are several multifarious activities also have been included in the pre-event activities. So the final Padyatra is on 23rd of March, but prior to that, the different activity will be like from today itself there is a quiz competition going on under the Mai Bharat portal. After that, then there will be a reel making challenge competition, and then on 22nd of March we will be organizing some cleanliness drive, like cleaning of the cleaning in the area of medical area, like cleaning of plastics and all that, with the help of involving college students, university students and youth club members. So basically prior to that these activities will be organized, and on 23rd of March in every district headquarter we will organize a mass Padyatra in which a student will be participating, college level student will be participating, youth club youth will be participating. The main message of this Padyatra is to inculcate the feeling of nation building in the youth, basically to inculcate them to know the sacrifice of our freedom fighters like Shahid Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and other leading martyrs, to commemorate their devotion to the nation. So for this in Tripura also, Agartala, there will be a Padyatra, and for that Padyatra around 500 youth will be participating in that program. We will be inviting leading public representatives also, like local MP, MLA will be invited, college and university professor will be invited, and other dignitary will also be invited in that program to lead the Padyatra.
Raja Khorang Simi Sumitni Kokthum Chini Khorang.